Hey guys, Project D here. Just got done putting in my new exhaust. I didn't do videos while I was doing it, so I'm gonna go and give you guys a little overview. That's the new muffler, Flowmaster. They're held together by these little clips, which are right there. They're pretty convenient. It makes it really quick and an easy job for you. Just when you're putting in the whole system, make sure that you don't tighten them all the way, because you're gonna need to make some adjustments to it. Make sure it fits well and nothing's really lagging. So that's pretty much it right there. Those two bolts up in the front, I don't know if you guys can see those. I did a little video on it earlier, but those are two 13mm bolts. They're pretty much easy to take off. It comes with a little gasket in the back. It's a metal gasket. You guys see it over there in the front. But those are pretty much the only bolts you have to put on it besides those clamps. Other than that, it's pretty much easy. The exhaust I got from Modern Performance, again, it's the Flowmaster, and I'll show you guys the little cutout it came with. So let me get up real quick. As I was saying, the car came as a single exhaust right there, so I made it a dual exhaust. Those came out really nice. Let me get up under here for you. They came out really, really well. Makes up a lot of space for where that bumper was before. The hangers over there, they come with little clips. So as you put them on, you just go ahead and clip them off. Just put some WD-40 on those and they should just pop right off for you. It sits a little bit lower, but it's okay. I'm not really tough on my car. And see the little cutout right there? And the cutout right here. The kit will come with a template, so you can just trace it and get a little saw and take care of it. And I don't think there's much movement under it. Let me check right here. I just put it in. It's pretty solid, very sturdy. Like I said, when you're down there putting it in, just make sure you don't finally bolt off all these little clips right here. Make sure you wait until you see that everything's fit. I try to put the nuts in the bolt part kind of level with the exhaust, so that way if they're pointing down, you know, and I don't bottom out, they don't scrap them or anything like that. It came out pretty well. And I'm going to give you guys a little sound check real quick, so I'm going to get this started. There you go. So as you guys can see, it comes out pretty nice. I ain't very much inside cabin, ain't that much noise either. So thanks for watching, appreciate it.